Welcome to my channel. Today our essay is on Defense Day. Defense Day of Pakistan. In Pakistan, 6 September is the National Defense Day for the remembrance of the sacrifices of our great heroes and soldiers to defend our borders. This day is also called Youm Dafa Day, Pakistan. This day has great importance that how two soldiers have to save our border from the Indian Army. I have written the 6 September Defense Day essay speech after a long search on internet. On this day, our great soldiers have sacrificed their lives. Major Aziz Bhatti Shaheed and Major Aziz Bhatti Shaheed are famous and the receive Pakistani highest award of defending. The 6 September 1965 day has the most significance. This war was fought between the India and Pakistan on the 23rd August 1965. This was a surprise attack by the India when their army crossed the line of the Pakistan border, target Jammu Kashmir. This day reminds us that how two bravest soldiers of Pakistan army laid down their lives and protected the country Pakistan from India. Troop surprise visit in War 2 between Pakistan and India. Thank you. Like and subscribe my channel and my video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.